HR analytics is becoming increasingly important in shaping strategies for hiring, training, and managing employees, leading to a stronger workforce. However, HR has been slower than other business departments in fully embracing data analytics. Many organizations use analytics to enhance customer engagement and increase sales, such as marketing, customer service, and sales teams. Accounting and finance departments also utilize analytics to identify trends that can inform business strategies. Businesses are now recognizing the potential of analytics in improving HR processes and ultimately enhancing overall business performance. While HR analytics may not be customer-focused, they are centered around people and can assist in making better hiring decisions, managing employees effectively, and providing support to individuals who contribute to the organization's growth and success. To leverage the benefits of analytics in HR, it is crucial to establish an HR analytics framework. Here are some steps to initiate or enhance your HR analytics journey. Building an enhanced HR analytics framework for your organization requires a comprehensive understanding of where to find relevant data and what specific insights to seek. Successful businesses that effectively utilize HR analytics follow a systematic approach that involves defining and aligning goals, as well as collecting meaningful data that can be utilized for action. The LAMP framework, consisting of logic, analytics, measures, and process, serves as a foundation for establishing a measurement system that drives organizational change and enhances overall effectiveness. Now let's discuss one by one. All this components first is logic. The logic component of this framework plays a crucial role in guiding companies to identify areas where valuable insights can be found and connecting data points to derive meaningful conclusions. By understanding the relationship between various factors and their impact on outcomes, such as the connection between employee well-being and turnover rates, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their HR practices and their influence on employee performance. This step enables organizations to comprehend the underlying reasons behind certain trends and phenomena. The logic step of an HR analytics framework illustrates the connections between HR practices, employee attitudes, engagement, turnover, customer experiences, buying behavior, sales, and profits. Companies that grasp these connections and their implications for the business are better equipped to implement impactful changes. Next, analytics. The power of analytics lies in its ability to uncover answers from data. For instance, you might possess data from employee feedback surveys that suggest your employees are highly engaged in their work. Additionally, customer surveys may indicate that they are satisfied with their interactions with your brand. It is possible that engaged employees contribute to higher customer satisfaction and increased loyalty. While this hypothesis may hold true, leveraging analytics software and systems can help you establish the correlation and derive more precise insights. By adopting an analytics-driven approach, you can delve deeper into the data and gain a comprehensive understanding. Analytics enables you to extract accurate conclusions and transform information into meaningful knowledge. Measures. It plays a crucial role in ensuring that the data being collected is meaningful and relevant to the specific needs of an organization. A robust analytics system built on a solid framework is essential in achieving this. By focusing on what truly matters, such as employee turnover, performance, engagement, learning, and absence, organizations can gain valuable insights. However, it is important to recognize that the importance of these factors may vary across different contexts. For instance, turnover rates should be stratified to differentiate employees with key capabilities from others if turnover poses a risk to the organization. Similarly, if absenteeism has a significant impact on call centers with tight schedules, it should be measured accordingly. Without a clear understanding of how these measures affect the business or strategic success, well-intentioned managers may draw misguided or even dangerous conclusions. Therefore, it is crucial to have a common logic and a clear understanding of why certain measures are being used and how they impact the organization's overall performance. Process. The change management process within an organization is greatly influenced by the use of HR analytics. By utilizing HR analytics, organizations are able to make informed decisions and implement necessary changes based on the data collected. This crucial step in the HR analytics system involves transforming raw data into meaningful insights and then using those insights to drive decision-making. The approach to data in HR plays a vital role in resolving issues related to personnel. It enables the presentation of valuable data and analysis to business leaders who have the power to make a real impact and provide support for the required changes. When leaders understand that human capital decisions have tangible financial implications, they are more likely to embrace advanced techniques and implement changes in employee performance management that are essential for achieving business success.